How to take multiple photos at intervals using camera timer on Samsung S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on this four dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down to end. Here showing you camera assistant. Click on camera assistant. After click on camera assistant, so you will see time multiple photo option is here. Click on timer multiple photo option and you will see. After click on timer multiple photo option and you will see open this, so you will select from here. After select picture and time, go back to home screen and click on camera. So take a picture from here. After take a picture, go back to home screen. So that's how you can take a multiple photos at intervals using camera timer on Samsung S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.